Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Amox grid widget presented by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Let's start by dragging the widget inside your Elementor page editor. The widget shows you blog posts using a neat interface with an image, title, category, and meta info. From the layout, you can go for up to 6 columns for the grid interface. The fewer the columns, the bigger the grid looks. Then you can adjust the column gap among the grids to make them arranged in even spaces. Not only that, but also you have a scroll bar to change the row gaps. We advise you to keep the image size to full in order to preserve the quality to high resolution. Then you can change the content alignment for the grid items with a separate alignment control for the active post. From the option at the bottom, you get to choose the number of posts to set it as an active element or featured element. Just pick a number based on their position. In the query section, you can set a limit to the number of items on the display. You can go for more or chip in for less as you wish. Using the include field, you can display only certain types of posts by selecting the terms and then searching for a category like sports. There are options for sorting out the items right below. Feel free to use them as you need. The additional section consists of a bunch of switchers to turn on or off any element from the display, like the title, date, time, category, etc. For example, let's turn on the pagination switchers and see the pagination appear at the bottom of the grid. We're reverting the changes. What's so special about Amox grid is you can set an entrance animation to the grid to appear on your web page. Just turn on the switcher and start calibrating all the controls for making the perfect interface. Or you can keep it off for a plain and simple slider widget. Let's move on to the Style tab. The first section contains content padding, background, active overlay, border, etc. These options are all for the grid items in global. For example, let's set a custom overlay color for the active or featured item. Then let's add box shadow to the grid items for a 3D looking vibe. Change the shadow color according to your preferences and customize it with the controls here. From the title section, let's change the title hover color to something unique and fun to look at. Check the content if it's working. Then move to the category section. Here, let's first change the background color of the categories to something deep and the text goes white. Let's add some padding until they look even on all ends. Then put a border radius to round the corners by a bit. Don't forget to set a hover color for the background as well. Great! Now you have a unique looking post grid made by the Amox grid widget. This is how the widget actually works. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.